In the rapidly growing world of Islamic finance, adherence to Sharia principles is not just a requirement, it's a way of life. Picture this: a seasoned professional navigating the intricacies of Islamic banking and finance, ensuring compliance with religious values while delivering innovative financial solutions. That's the power of a certified Islamic banking and finance professional. This comprehensive certification program is designed to equip finance professionals with a deep understanding of Islamic finance principles, practices, and products. From mastering the foundations of Sharia law and Islamic economics to exploring cutting-edge financial instruments and risk management strategies, this program covers it all. For financial institutions operating in the Islamic finance sector, investing in this certification is an investment in credibility, trust, and long-term sustainability. By cultivating a team of certified Islamic banking and finance professionals, organizations can ensure adherence to Sharia principles, gain a competitive edge in the rapidly expanding Islamic finance market, and foster lasting relationships with their clients. Individuals who complete this certification will emerge as trusted experts in Islamic banking and finance, capable of driving organizational success through their in-depth knowledge of Sharia principles, innovative financial solutions, and commitment to ethical practices. They'll gain the expertise to develop and implement Sharia-compliant financial products, manage risks in accordance with Islamic principles, and provide sound financial advice to clients, making them invaluable assets in the Islamic finance industry. Don't let the complexities of Islamic finance hold you back. Elevate your expertise and unlock new opportunities by enrolling in this transformative certification program today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and join the ranks of certified Islamic banking and finance professionals.